What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and today I'm going to show you how to make the best tofu ever. It's going to be firm and crispy and just delicious. So let's hop right into it. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by taking some extra from tofu, wrapping it in a paper towel. I'm going to put it on a plate. Now I'm going to put something heavy on top of it, like a cast iron skillet. You can use a can of beans, whatever you have that's heavy that is good enough to drain the water out of the tofu. And I'm going to let it sit for at least 30 minutes. This part is really important because it prevents the tofu from being mushy and having all the water come out of it while it's cooking. So do not skip this step. While the tofu was sitting, I prepared my teriyaki sauce. So I'm adding a half cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of minced ginger, a half cup of white sugar, a pinch of black pepper, and I gave it a mix. And once it started to heat up, I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And I make sure to whisk it continuously as it was cooking. And I'm cooking this over low-medium heat. Okay, as you can see, the water is drained out of the tofu. Now I'm going to chop the tofu into cubes. Sprinkle on some salt and pepper. Here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch into a bowl. And I'm going to sprinkle some sea salt, some black pepper, and garlic powder. Pour it into a ziplock bag, give it a little shake, add the tofu, and make sure the tofu pieces are coated. So now I'm dicing up 1 red pepper and 1/4 of a yellow onion. I'm going to cook that in a saucepan with a little bit of oil, sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on it. Now once it begins to brown, I removed it from the pan. I added a little bit more oil. Once it gets hot, I'm adding the tofu. And I just let it sit for a few minutes and let it brown on each side. Once it's golden brown all around, I add the peppers and the onions and the teriyaki sauce. Now you can add as much teriyaki sauce as you like, as little as you like. If you want it to be extra saucy, then add a little bit more. Make some fried rice to go with this. I like to top my tofu with green onions and sesame seeds. So here I have the tofu with some fried rice. So good, guys. So good, guys. Crispy, firm, saucy, filled with flavor. I can taste the ginger and the garlic in it. I'm telling you, my friends, you need to make this recipe. So easy. So if you end up making this, feel free to tag me at Lexus Ivana. I would love to see the recipes that you guys make. And let me know in the description box if there's something else that you want me to make, anything you'd like to see on this channel. And I will see you next time.